Hi, I am Christian, and you can call me Teacher Chan. I live in the Pearl of the Orient Seas, the Philippines. I am a licensed professional teacher, and I passed my licensure examination last March 17, 2024. So go book on my class if you want a meaningful learning process, where both of us will learn from each other about many things. We will make our class fun and full of learnings. I can dance, I can draw, I can act, and I can sing. Even my voice is terrible, making sure that our class will not be boring, yet interesting, interactive, and informative. So come and go book a class with me. See ya!